Check it out, y'all. The ecodiesel has landed. Here it is. We finally got us a 21. This is a 2021 ecodiesel Rubicon in the granite crystal color. Man, I love that color. We wanted to buy our JK back in 2016 in granite crystal and couldn't find one. Ended up with silver. Man, look at that paint. I just like that color. Got a little bit of metallic flake in there. It looks really nice in the sun. Pretty excited about this one, y'all. We've been hammered by you guys asking for our dual battery system for the diesel engine version. Finally got one in here. Let's pop the hood right here, and I'll give you guys my initial thoughts on what we got to deal with. Okay, there we go. There's the ecodiesel. I'll give you a good overhead shot. And so first initial thoughts is, holy cow, it's really tight in there. So if you're familiar with the JL, the gas engine version, they've completely changed the battery compartment area. On the gas version, your factory fuse box is all the way back by the firewall, and the battery is up closer, up this way. And then you also have the factory air box that sits here. On the diesel, your air box is over there. So this is 100% different. Looks like they've also got some kind of an engine computer here in the middle, but that does look very tight in there. But I said the same thing with when we first got the JL in here. It looked extremely tight under the hood too. But one thing I found interesting, they put a little sticker on your battery cables here that says, hey, don't forget, you got 2 batteries here. That's kind of interesting that a lot of people didn't even know that there was a second battery. So they got a little diagram there that kind of shows you got a second battery down below the big one. So of course, you know, with our dual battery systems, we're gonna replace that tiny little troublesome motorcycle battery with a second full-size battery and put it up top where it's easier to service in the future. So really looking forward to this project. It looks like it's gonna be a big challenge. It's not gonna be easy, but we're gonna work really hard to try to get this done for you guys, get something that you're gonna really like, expand the capabilities on the Gladiator and the diesel JL, which is what everybody loves to do, right? You know, start swapping out factory parts with upgraded aftermarket stuff. Keep making these vehicles better and better and better. So we're gonna start carving this thing up, start ripping parts out of it, see what we can come up with. You guys stay tuned. Thanks for the support, and we'll be posting lots of updates soon. Thanks, y'all.